Good morning, children. Welcome to everybody to online science class. Today, I shall explain the third chapter of class 7 science. The topic is fiber to fabric. Myself, Dr. Devobrata Mukherjee, PGT Biology, KB number 1, Kachapada, Kolkata region. At the onset of the class, we must know about the gist of the lesson. Now, we will discuss about which important terms we will study in the lesson. First, we must know about the wool and the silk fibers which are obtained from animals. Then animal fibers means wool and silk. Wool animals that yield the wool also. Some fibers to wool rearing and the breeding of sheep. How to process fibers into wool, shearing, some Indian breeds of sheep, scoring, sorting, cleaning of birds, dyeing and the rolling. So the next part, the life history of silk moth, that is caterpillar or the silkworm, pupa, cocoon, all we have to study. The silk means sericulture, silk means mulberry silk moth, and from cocoon to silk rearing, silkworm, processing of silk and reeling on sheep, all the parameters we have to discuss in this class. The first we should know what the wool and the silk fibers are. Wool and silk fibers are obtained from animals, and exactly wool is obtained from fleece. What is fleece? That is hair of sheep or the yak. That is silk fibers come from cocoon of this silk moth. Do you know which part of a sheep's body yields fiber? Are you aware of? Are you aware how the sheep fibers are obtained into the woolen yarn that we buy from the market to knit sweaters? Do you wear the sweaters? So you should be curious to find out the answer, how the fibers are converted into the woolen yarns that we buy from the market to knit the sweater. Do you have any idea how the silk fibers are made into silk, which is woven into sarees? Yes. Do you want to get the answer of your questions? So then in the chapter we shall try to find out answer of these questions which generally arise in your mind. What is animal fibers? Animal fibers are the wool and the silk. Wool, where from do you get the wool? Wool comes from the sheep, goat, yak and some other animals. Here I have shown you the picture of wool as well as the hair also. And the next you see the pictorial representation of wool yielding animals. Angora goat, yak, camel, alpaca, llama. Do you heard the names earlier? I think the alpaca llama is not known to you. Now it is, you know it. So with nice pictorial representation of sheep you see. The second one I will show you the picture of goat, and finally you see the yak. And do you have the idea why these animals have a thick coat of hair? They have a basic features, hairy coat. Why is it there? Exactly. Do you know the answer? I will tell you. The hair traps a lot of air. Why? Because air is a poor conductor of heat. So hair keeps this animal warm, which is required for their survivability. So now let us do one activity. Feel the hair of your body, arms and those on your head. I have shown you the pictures. How do you feel? Do you find any difference? Which one seems coarser? Which one is soft? Get the answer of this question. You find out the answer. If you get the answer, it will come to the conclusion. There are two types of fibers. Number one, hairy skin of a sheep has two types of fibers that form its fleece. Number one, the coarse beard here and the fine soft under hair close to the skin. Here you see soft under hair close to the skin trees. And the hairy skin of the sheep, you see the one side, the left hand side, it is a sheep with the hair, and then after the commercially removal of a hair, the original sheep is to be there. It is done commercially to get the wool. So the what is there? Fine soft under here. The fine here they provide the fibers for making wool. Some breeds of sheep possesses only fine under here. So the parents are specially chosen to give birth to sheep which will give us only soft hair. This selectively choosing the procedure is to be discussed later in subsequent points of discussion. So let us see some breeds of sheep possesses only fine under here. This one is a pictorial representation. Now we would like to get a sheep with good under here. For that purpose, the process is followed which is called selective breeding. The process of selecting the parents for obtaining special characteristics in their offspring, that is soft under hair in sheep, that is called selective breeding. Here you see the picture of the selectively bred animals, the Suffolk, the Dorset, the Merino. So these are the different varieties of sheep. And it is a common picture, it is a generalized view of sheep with thick growth of the hair. Now the question coming, animals that yield wool. Several breeds of sheep, these are found in different parts of the country. Do you know? The sheep means you think only one, but it is several breeds. Let us discuss about the name of the some Indian breeds of sheep and their quality of wool and the state where they are found. Number one is Lohi, that is good quality wool that will provide, found in Rajasthan, Punjab. Second breed, the Rampur Burshain. All of the sheep's varieties. Brown color flea, that is brown color here. This variety found in Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh. Next is the Nelt. Nelt is the carpet wool they obtain. They just provide us. Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab. And next is the Marwar and the Bakriyal. That is the woolen shawls are there, found in state Jammu Kashmir. Do you know about this specific variety? Next is the Marwaj. It is a coarse wool which is found in the especially in the state Gujarat. So the next important point is the last one, sixth is the Patwadi from the Hoshiari. For Hoshiari purposes, this is found in the Gujarat. So whatever we have discussed today, students, we have discussed the following points. Number one is the fibers. One activity we have done, examples of these fiber yielding animals, types of fiber, the hairy skin of the sheep, the fine soft under hair. We have discussed the breeds of sheep possesses only fine under hair. Then we have discussed about selective breeding and the sheep with a thick growth of hair. I would like to recapitulate what we have taught today. And then finally we have discussed about animals that yield wool. So there are the 6 varieties. Now the question of assignment. Only two questions are there as your assignment. Number 1, you must familiar with the following nursery rhyme. Ba ba black sheep, have you any wool? Next one, Mary have a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Do you will remember the rhyme? I hope everybody remember the sweet memories of nursery class which are incorporated along with the minds. Now rhymes. And the based on these 2 rhymes, you answer the following only 2 questions. Number 1, which part of a black sheep have wool? Number 2, what is meant by the white fleece on the lamb? And while discussing the chapter, I have been discussed the YouTube links also. You follow the links and you study this part and you complete the assignment and just show me. So thank you very much.